running a QC inspection and release check in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how Lab and QC pulls cellar readings for you, how to walk the inspection, and how to approve a batch for release or hold it. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Production, Lab QC from your dashboard. This is your Lab and QC screen. It pulls readings and chemistry straight from cellar records, so you're not re-entering numbers, and adds the inspection and release step on top. Release readiness shows you what's waiting. Find the batch or lot you're checking and click Inspect. Walk through the checklist, appearance, aroma, taste, and any lab specs you require, like gravity or pH ranges. Mark each item pass or fail, and add sensory notes if something's off. If everything passes, click Approve for release, and that batch is cleared to move to packaging. If something fails, mark it Hold with a reason. That batch won't be available to package until someone clears the hold. Either way, I save this inspection permanently against the batch, so you've always got a record of what was checked before it left the building.